Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome on ParrotSEC OS 6, but the process is same on all ParrotSEC operating system. The default browser comes with Parrot is Firefox. Click on menu, then search for Firefox. See here we have the Firefox ESR, or simply click on this Firefox. Let me maximize this one. Now go to Google, then search for Google Chrome download and hit enter. Click on Google Chrome download fast and secure browser. Then select download Chrome. Here we have two types of packages, one .deb and another one is .rpm. So we have to select the .deb because .rpm is for RHL type operating system. Parrot is of type Debian or Ubuntu. So select the first one, that is .debian package, and click on accept and install. See, it is going to download this .debian package in this downloads location. So click on save. See, download has been started and its size is 103 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Click on terminal. Then go to downloads. ls. See here we have the Google Chrome stable .debian package. Let us install by running the command sudo dp kg-i, then give the Google Chrome. Google and give the tab to autofill the .debian package and hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. We have successfully installed Google Chrome. Now click on menu, then search for Chrome. See, we have the Chrome. Just drag this to this favorites. Then click on Google Chrome. See here, it is asking us to make Google Chrome as default user and automatically send the usage stats and crash reports to Google. Then click on OK. If you want to sign in, click on sign in. Otherwise, don't sign in. Got it? See, this is the Google Chrome web browser. Okay. The last step is we have to remove the downloaded Debian package. rm Google. We have successfully removed. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Google Chrome on ParrotSEC OS. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.